Well, now that we live in the South, you know I have to bring you the best biscuit recipe ever, and this one is so easy, you're gonna love it. We're gonna start by combining dry ingredients together, so we have some flour, baking powder, baking soda, some sugar, and salt, and the measurements will be down below. Okay, now we're gonna grate in the butter. It has to be frozen because that's what gives you those flakes. I like to coat butter in the dry ingredients and just grate it in. Makes it much easier. It doesn't stick together. We're gonna add buttermilk into the mix. And this is when you wanna work really quick. You wanna combine everything together with the spatula first. And the dough might be crumbly at the end, and that's totally fine. You don't want the butter to melt because that's what will give us those flakes. I'm gonna dump this out and it's gonna give you a little bit more room to work and form this into a dough. So just kind of fold it over gently until it all comes together. And seriously, it's totally fine that it's crumbly like this. I promise you it does come together. Gonna flour the rolling pin. You don't want this to stick. Now that our dough is rolled out, I keep it at about 1 inch thick, like 1 to 1.5 inch thick. And for the shaping or the size, I typically go for the 3 inch, but you really can use 2, 4, it's really up to you, but I like this size. We're just gonna cut them out and place them on a lined baking sheet, just leaving a little bit of space in between each one. We're gonna pop them in the oven at 450 for about 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. And this is how you make the best biscuit ever. You might as well double up that recipe.